Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel IBOL Designing Developer. Like previously we have done all the things which we needed to learn about React 18. We have just set up React 18 stuff. Then we have also created a new React tab. Now in this video I will be telling you the folders and the files which we are getting by creating the new React tab. What are the folders and files and what they are used for and what are the just things which are included in that. So I'll be telling you start to and why these files and folders are used for. Then we will be coming up with all the practical work in future. So just I hope you'll be understanding this video. So remember to see this video if you want to learn how to just work with this folders and files and how to just work with this, what are the things included in this files and folder and why we use it in React and how we use it. So I'll be telling you one to one thing you needed to learn about this folders and files in React 18. So remember to see this video from start to end if you want to learn how to work with these files and folders in React 18. And if you want to see more videos like that, so hit a like to this video, and if you are new on this channel, hit the subscribe button and also just hit notification bell from which you will be notified with all the future videos. You can also check my previous 3 videos or 4 videos which I have uploaded using React 18 because that will giving you help moving forward, because I am just doing this series from start to end, from beginner to advanced, and I'll be telling you one to one thing which a beginner needed to learn about React JS or React 18. So just share this video also so more people can learn about these amazing tutorials which I am giving. You can also check my JavaScript tutorial which I have done yet, because that will also giving you help if you want to learn JavaScript and become full stack developer of that. You can use JavaScript as your backend and you can also use React.js in that as your framework. So it will be really helpful and you can build amazing websites and clones using these amazing languages. So just now we'll be starting with our video and seeing how to just understand these files and folders and how to use these all stuff in React 18. So just in the previous video, like I've telling you, we have created a new React tab. Now in this video, I will be telling you how to work with these folders and files and how to understand these folders and file and what the use of these folders and files are in React. So if I just open my VS Code, you can see I've just written this code of npx create. If I just show you, you can see here I've written the folder, here I've written the code of npx create React tab, and then I've written my folder name. Then after this, it has installed all this stuff here, and it has installed 67 packages in 6 seconds. And then we are just getting a happy hacking tag. So if you are having this happy hacking in the end, so means that your folder has been created. So simply I will be opening it through my localtext E, because in localtext E I have created my folder with the name of app1. This is our folder. Here I will be pressing select folder to open this. Now in this all you can say in this React app you will be containing all these folders. Now I will be telling you what are the use of these folders here. So first of all, you will be getting all these files here. You will be getting these JS files. JS files mean JavaScript file you will be getting, and like you all know that JavaScript is used in React 18 or React JS to build projects here. And you can say JavaScript is a backend of React and React is a framework. Like you can say HTML has a framework of CSS. So like that, JavaScript is having a framework of uh, React. So these are the JS files, and these are you can say JavaScript file here, because these are getting .js in the end. Then these are .css in the end, which are the tailwind CSS files here. Now just it is your like it is your thing. If you want to delete these all files, you can delete it, means these .css1 files. If you want to delete this file, so you can just delete this. If you want to work with this file, and if you want to use tailwind CSS in your project, so you can just work with these all files. But it is just your opinion, or it is just your you are thinking like if you want to use this or not, it's your choice here. So just now like this, you will be containing all these logos file here. So you can delete these all logos file, because obviously we will be using our own logos. We will be not using any other logo. So you have to erase these all test files also. So remember to just delete these 3 files. One is logo.svg, because we will be just adding our own logo. Then this setup test.js, because we will be not needing any of the testing file. We have just understand this stuff. Then you can just press delete here, so it will be deleting from here. Now you can see if I press move to recycle bin, it has deleted all the stuff from here. Now in this source folder, you will be getting all the source file like .js file, JavaScript file, which is the frame JavaScript file here. And JavaScript has the framework of React 18. So we are just getting this React 18 folder, in which we are getting .css file to style our thing or website if we are building it. So you can just use this or delete, like I've telling you, it's your choice here. If you want to use Tailwind CSS in your project, you can use, or if you want to delete, you can delete it. Then you will be getting all these package log.json file, package JSON file. So remember, don't to just use these all files, because that are not the way to use for you. Then these are the node modules here, means the libraries which it is installed here. You can download different libraries here. It has downloaded limited libraries, means if you want to download any other library separately, your own library like Redux, if you want to import React Redux, if you want to import React script, so you can install it directly from terminal by writing npm install. Then you can write the library name to install that. This is the public folder here, in which you will be getting a favy icon. Then these are logos of React. So you will be getting all this stuff. If you want to use these logos, so you can just keep these all logos. If you want to delete, you can just select these all, then you can delete these. This is the robot.txt file, it is not needed. This manifest.json file has also been not needed. Then this is the main file from which our server will be running of React. In the next video, I will be showing you how to run your React server and what code we write to run our React server. So this was just the video to tell you what are these folders in React file when we create it, means what are these folder when we create a React tab we will be getting. So I've telling you all the things which we are getting when we create a React tab. So this was some of the folders and files which we are getting when we create a React tab. So just don't be panic about these all folders and files which we are getting. These are just the main file. In these all files you have to write your own codes, and you have to create your own project which you want to build, like website, it can be portfolio, it can be any type of app or anything like that. So this was the amazing project which I want to show you, and in this video we have learned what are these folders and files are about in React app. So just if you have understand this video, so hit a like, and if you want to see more videos like that, so hit the subscribe on this channel. After subscribing, hit notification bell, from which you'll be notified with all the React 18 and all the other videos which I'll be uploading using different languages. I am also building big clones and big apps, so you can also check that out. I am using Next.js 13 in build to build many of the amazing projects. You can also check that out. Then I've also previously built many of the clones that are also really helpful, and I hope you'll be enjoying that videos also. So just I hope you enjoy this video in which we have learned what are folders and files and how to understand these all folders and file in React 18. So just I'll be meeting next project with more amazing things and more amazing tutorials like this. So for today, goodbye.